Hey, I don't know about you, but if someone make this in a house and call me and invite me to come and eat, I will surely turn. I will surely go and have some because this dish is so amazing and delicious. But within just only 1 hour, you could finish this dish and you could have it just easily like that. Delicious, amazing, and delicacy too, and healthy. So now let's dive into cooking. Thank you for joining me today. This is Nyajima Kitchen, Chef Nyaje. Welcome. What do you need? You need like 3 large onion. That's what you need. And heat up your stove. Put your supriya there. And that are the vegetable we're going to use and the ingredient we're going to be using. And make sure to grab one of meat. Doesn't matter which meat you're using as long as meat. Like you can use pork. You can use goat meat. You can use lamb meat, you can use beef, what you see nice for you. But for me, I'm using goat meat like I'm doing because I'm a fan of goat meat. I really like goat meat. So far, I cut my onion, heat up my oil, and put it inside. And now I'm waiting for it to just become brown. And what I'm doing here, I'm going to be slicing that garlic because I want to roast them in the oven. Actually, I'm gonna make them because I want to turn them to salt later on when they cook because I want to do something very amazing, and you're gonna see in this video. You stick around, and all I can ask is to give this video a like, a share, and then comment, tell me your thought, and share to me. If you could have given me a chance to cook this one, what will you make? Will you make it like that, or will you make it differently? Share your thought with me. But when you're done watching this video, believe me, you're going to make it yourself and you're going to cook this dish. It's really easy and amazing. Just follow the instruction and you should be good. And this dish is all the way from South Sudan. And it's an amazing dish. And believe me, this dish is the best of the best. Very nice and very, 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 very delicious. That are the spices. And when my onion come like a little bit golden brown, I pour the meat inside and mix it a little bit, and then pour the spices. Now I'm gonna like let it marinate a little bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna mix it inside. When they're all done mixing, I will grab water and pour it inside like you're seeing, and then mix very nicely and cover for it to cook. So on the other side too, I'm gonna grab the sauce. That's the sauce I'm using. Pour a little bit inside. And mix it. I will mix it very, very well. And I will let the dish combine together and cook really, really nicely because we're going to be adding that lentil later, especially the I don't know that color, but I can call it Ades fresher. It's really easy and nice to cook. Yeah, that's how we call it in our language. That Ades, that lentil or Ades is a very good one. You will just let it cook, the meat. Leave the meat to cook for at least 4 to 5 minutes. But if you want, you can let it cook for 35 minutes and then you can add the Ades and give the lentil like 15 minutes to cook. And the dish should be ready because this lentil does not take a lot of time. It does cook quickly. And that's what I love about this because it doesn't consume a lot of time, especially if you are late. You don't even need meat. You can just wash it and fry your garlic or whatever and just make it. So wash it very nicely until you see the water run clear. And come and pour it inside. Mix it very nicely. And don't forget your salt. Make sure that it's seasoned enough because this dish does not taste good when it's not seasoned enough. So make sure your seasoning are the best. And seasoning to your liking. And it's going to be good. So in the meantime, we did that. Make sure to add a bit of water and cover it. And in the meantime, wash your spinach. And the name of that thing again, I don't know, but it's called, in the language I was taught, it's called shamar with the spinach. It's called dal or dal, I don't know. Yeah. And then you're going to pour it inside. After washing it nicely, make sure to cut small. And then mix it put it inside the soup. And make sure to mix it really nicely and add more water. Be generous. Don't be afraid of water. And don't put too much too either. Just measure it. If you need measure, you just measure it. Like you have a ball, like a small one at home, you gotta like use that on like one time, or like full one, like that. You can use it, or maybe have like I just use half, yeah, and then let it cook. But it depends with the size and how many you're making it, how many people you are cooking for, and how many days you want it to last. This dish here is very, very powerful and very delicious, and it's amazing too. I love this one a lot. I'm gonna be making one of this day, but I won't form it again because I did so. But I will be making it very soon. So far, the dish, the aroma was all over the place because it was so good and amazing. And at the meantime, I already bring that garlic out in the oven, and I let them cool down a little bit over there, and I'm gonna blend them right away. That is my blender, my small blender, and I'm gonna be pouring it inside. I'm gonna be pouring the garlic. It's already been roasted. Now it's ready to be blended. And if you want it, you can just crush it with a spoon, especially have the fork. You can just crush it, and you can use it. But for me, I'm gonna blend it really, because I want to use it as a sauce. Make sure to just only use olive oil. It's really nice with that one. There's a special taste inside of that. Yes. Now it's done blending. So far, I'm gonna put some inside there because there's a special aroma that the roasted one give, and it's really good. Try it, and you will come and thank me later. And make sure to be generous with oil. I know oil is not good when it's too much, but this dish need oil, because the secret to lentil, or maybe beans, when you cook them with a lot of oil, it doesn't give you heartburn. But don't overcook it with too much oil. Just measure the oil, but be generous with the oil, because the oil always help you for heartburn. You don't feel heartburn later. What you like when you add oil inside. That's why when I'm making lentil or something like beans, something to do with this kind, I make sure to add enough oil to make sure that the dish is good. It's help with a lot of things. When you eat it, it doesn't even feel like you add something can cause any heartburn or anything else, or anything. So it just stay in your stomach quietly and nicely, and you feel normal, like eating other food. And the beneficial of that is oil, and that's what you should go with. I'm not asking you to put a lot of oil, but just be generous. Yeah. It's just only one time. I know. They always say the flood starts with a drop of the rain, and we know that. But just one time. Yeah, just one time. It's going to be amazing. So far, it's good. When it's come to this point here, you just need to blend it really nicely. But if you don't have that blender, you can just use other things. But make sure don't blend it way too much. That is our old blender, like hand blender, like the wood. We used to use it in the olden time, but we still use it now. Anyway, when you're making something like this small. On the other side, the dish you are seeing there is called Kisra. It's one of the dishes in South Sudan, and it's famous around the Sudan, actually, region. From northern Sudan to southern Sudan. This dish you are seeing right here is really famous. That is called Rijla, and that is Kisra. You can have them together, and it's easy to eat, simple to make too. Doesn't consume that much my time, but when you make it, it's worth of your time, believe me when I tell you. So far, I just want to take this chance and thank all of you guys. Thank all of you. All I want to do is just thank you so much for being a part of this journey, for being a part of my family. Thank you and welcome. You are a new subscriber. Welcome to the family. You are you are my new viewers. Thank you. And to all my viewers, thank you so much. To all my subscribers, thank you. Thank you so much. We could have not done this one without you. And let's go make this dish. You're going to love this one. You're going to make it. So far, we're going to taste the dish. And believe me, I can't even tell you, because I grew up eating this food with other stuff too. And that's why I'm so confident. This dish is kind of amazing. If you try it one time, believe me, you will make it every now and then, because it's the best dish ever. You can have it with rice, have it with bread. Most of people, they have it with bread because it's more easy. Yeah, but for me, I love to have it with Kisra. Kisra too is good with it.